American Magic is a team of about 100 of the best yacht designers, athletes, and boat builders in the world of sailing, and our goal is to win the America's Cup. 3D scanning technology has come a long way since I first saw it involved in the America's Cup. Today, we can get a very large-scale, ultra-accurate representation. We're using the Creaform MetraSCAN because we have a very large hull shape. It's about 75 feet long that we're scanning the interior of. What the MetraSCAN lets us do is, with a single accurate point cloud representation of the interior of the boat, do a final trim of the structure, drop it right into the boat, and be confident that we're going to have a really nice fit. I think the most valuable thing behind our Creaform partnership is the time savings that it affords us. Processes that used to take extra days and weeks in the overall build timeline are now reduced to a matter of hours. So one thing I think is so important about our partnership with Creaform is on these 75-foot foiling monohulls, the only components that are in the water normally while sailing are the main foil and the rudder elevator and nothing else. So ensuring that these are accurately represented to the original designs is just critical for us. And using Creaform technologies, we're able to get as close as we can to make sure that what we've built matches what we designed.